We all love these sweet treats, but do you actually know the science behind them? Today, we're uncovering the specific ingredient secrets that define butterscotch. While they might look similar on a plate, the culinary worlds of caramel and butterscotch are built on completely different foundations. Let's start by defining our subject. The main difference lies in the raw materials. Whereas caramel is made by heating white granulated sugar until it melts and breaks down chemically, butterscotch is constructed using brown sugar and butter. This specific combination gives butterscotch a deeper, more rounded flavor profile. The molasses inherent in brown sugar reacts with the butter to create complex aromas that white sugar simply cannot achieve. Butterscotch is a classic confection rooted in traditional English cuisine. It is versatile enough to be cooked into a hard candy or transformed into a rich sauce by simply adding cream and vanilla. Because it relies on the chemical breakdown of white sugar, caramel tastes more like burnt sugar with a distinct bitterness. In contrast, butterscotch offers that rich, sweet flavor thanks to the fat and molasses. So next time you see a golden drizzle, look at the label. If it lists brown sugar and butter as primary ingredients, you are truly tasting butterscotch. Now that you know the difference, what is your favorite way to use these treats? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into food science.